This part of the Godox flash broke the other day when I was using it. See it there from the side. So I looked online and apparently you can get a better version of this. This is the version that should have been shipped with it to begin with. This bit is metal. This one's plastic. Alright, so it has four screw holes on here. And it seems pretty simple. And there's one connection point. So you just need a tiny screwdriver. I started to loosen these to save time. And there are 4 screws. Alright, so the screws are off. And I think I should be able to just pull this now. Okay. And it looks like there's just one connection point here. I think you just yank that out, right? We'll see. Alright, let me just look at how it's put in. Okay, so just going to put it in the same way. Alright, so the contact should be facing the front, which means it goes in that way. I'm just going to yank this out. Alright, so that comes out just like that. That's where the flash sits, where the contact sits. Alright, looks like it's there. This battery in here, so it should just come on. Okay. That feels good. Let's see what we got. Alright, so it's there. Alright, let's see if it communicates with the camera. Alright. And then let's see if that works still. Okay, that's good. And then that seems like it's working perfectly. Perfectly. That's awesome. So this one's fine, but it's only a matter of time before it breaks. The other day I was doing a shoot and it was embarrassing that my flash didn't work. That's good. That should translates on here, that's good. And let me drop the flash compensation. What's it at? 0. So this should be darker. And it is. That's the first one. Wait. That's the first one. That's the dark one. Now I'll make this one overexposed. And that's overexposed. Overexposed, darker, perfect. Not better exposed, I think. All right. And let me see if everything else works. Looks like everything else works. Awesome.